Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we will be learning how to log in to your Vimeo account using the Vimeo application on your smartphone or a tablet. So first of all, launch open your Vimeo application on your device, and once you open it up, you'll be taken to this watch page. From here, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile icon, which looks like this blue button at the top. And once you do that, click on the login button from the top to log into your existing account. To log into your account, you will need your email and password, or if you've previously signed up using Google or Facebook or any other option provided at the bottom, select the same while logging in. I created an account with email and password, so I'm going to have to type it in this time. Go to the email tab at the top of the screen and type in your email address associated with Vimeo. Once you do that, head over to the password field. If you don't remember the password, you can click on this forgot password link and follow through the password reset process. But if you remember your password, just type it down in the text box. Once you're done entering your password, click on the login button, and on the next page you'll receive this security code sent to you via your provided email. Go check open your email inbox. You'll receive a Vimeo one-time security code. Click it open and copy the code inside it. Get back to the Vimeo app and paste it in. Once done, click on the done button in blue and you have successfully logged into your Vimeo account. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.